Welcome to SFS College. To take admission in SFS College for various graduation or post-graduation programs, visit www.sfscollege.edu.in. Once you are on the website, scroll down to the Quick Help buttons. First, download the admission prospectus for the 2024-25 session and go through it completely. After that, return to the website's homepage and click on the Apply for First Year Online Admission button to be redirected to our admission portal. On the admission portal, you will find a notice section on the left with all the important dates for admission registration. On the right, you will see the option for account creation. Create a username, password, enter your mobile number and email ID, and click on the Register button. Once you register successfully, you will receive your username and password on your registered mobile number via SMS from Mastersoft ERP Solutions as shown in the screenshot on the left of your screen. Enter these credentials to log into your account. You will come across an Terms and Conditions page. Click on the Accept button. On the next page you will see a general instructional notice regarding admission. Go through that notice and on top of that you will find an option to apply for in either undergraduate course or a postgraduate course. For example, if you have to select an undergraduate course, then click on the relevant option and continue. On this page you will find space to fill in your personal details, starting with the student's personal information followed by parents' information and other necessary information carefully. Please note that all the sections with red star markings should be filled compulsory. Make sure that you provide correct information as it will be verified with your documents during time of admissions, so please be careful. And once you are done, click on Save and Next button at the bottom of your screen. Do the same for the address section and click Save and Next button. In the Education Details section, fill in all the education details carefully and click on the Add button once completed. Then, click on the Save and Next button. Next, you will need to upload your recent passport size photograph and signature. Click on the Upload option, then Browse to select your photograph. Make sure to read the instructions mentioned below. Follow the same steps to upload your signature. Once done, click on the Save and Next button. Now that you have completed all the steps up to this point, well done. Next, you have reached the most important section of this entire process, the course selection page. Here, you will see an option to select your preferred course. Click on this option to view all the undergraduate courses offered by our college. Choose your desired course from the list. For example, if you wish to apply for the Bachelor of Arts course, select Bachelor of Arts BA1 option from the list and click on Save and Next button. This will now unlock some more sections in the process, starting with your last qualifying exam details. Click on the Last Exam Name section and select your pre-filled exam name followed by board, university, and then click on Save and Next button once you verify all the pre-filled information. Now in the Documents section, upload your documents using the options provided below. First, upload your Class 12th mark sheet and click on the Add button. For all other documents, select the document name and upload it by clicking on the Add button. Once you have uploaded all the required documents, click on the Save and Next button. In the Subject Details section, before selecting your major subject, choose the medium of instruction from the options below. Select English. This will open the option to select your desired major subject from the available choices. You can select up to 3 options in order of preference. This way, if you don't make it to the list of your first preference, you'll still have 2 other subjects to choose from. So I've selected English Literature as my first preference, followed by History and then Economics as my 3 preferences for a major subject. You don't need to worry about selecting your minor subject now, as that choice will be available only from the 3rd semester. For now, just select your major subjects concerning your first year of the undergraduate program. Once you are satisfied with your choice of major subject and the 2 other options, click on the Save and Next button to lock your choices and go to the Payment option to pay the application fee. In the Payment Method section, choose your preferred payment option and complete the payment of the application fee. Once you successfully complete the payment, click on the Go to Confirm button and confirm your application form by clicking on the Confirm Application option. Now, print both your application form and payment receipt to complete the process. Similarly, if you wish to select a BSc course, in the Course Selection section, choose BSc from the options provided and click on Save and Next. Fill in the details in all the relevant sections and move to the Subject Selection option. After selecting English as the medium of instruction, choose 3 major subjects in order of preference. Just as I have selected Biotechnology, followed by Biochemistry, and then Zoology as my 3 preferred major subjects. Click on Save and Next, and complete the application fee payment process. Once done, download the application form and receipt of payment. That's it, you are one step closer to joining SFS College. All the best.